भारत राष्ट्र समिति की रुकन कानून साज कौंसिल की कविता ने मरकज की जानिब से पेश किए गए आम बजट पर रद्द-ए-अमल का इजहार करते हुए कहा कि यूनियन बजट बीजेपी ज़ेरे क़यादत वाली रियासतों के लिए मख्तस किया गया है। नए टैक्स निज़ाम में 7 लाख रुपये तक की आमदनी पर इनकम टैक्स छूट दिए जाने पर तबसरा करते हुए कविता ने कहा है कि इस सहूलत से तेलंगाना के लोगों को कोई फायदा नहीं होगा, क्योंकि हम रियासत के लोगों को अच्छी तनख्वाहें दे रहे हैं और हमें 10 लाख रुपये तक की टैक्स छूट की उम्मीद थी। MLC निजामाबाद ने कहा है कि मरकज ने सिर्फ आइंदा इंतखाबात मुनक्किद होने वाली रियासतों या फिर बीजेपी ज़ेर क़यादत वाली रियासतों को मद्देनजर रखते हुए तरक्याती प्रोजेक्टों का ऐलान किया है। उन्होंने इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के लिए 10,000 करोड़ रुपए का ऐलान तो कर दिया है, ताहम कौन सा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है वो वाज़ेह नहीं किया है। के कविता ने वज़ीर खजाना से रियासत को वाजिबात अदा करने की दरख्वास्त भी की है।
Fundamental question. Today they announced they are going to give 197 nursing colleges. But where are they giving the nursing colleges? Only where they gave medical colleges. And in our state they did not even give one medical college. So we are not even getting one nursing college. So if states are picked and chosen, like Gift City in Gujarat, today they are saying up till 2025 they have extended the tax incentives. But what about NIMS of Telangana? What about other cities, other SEZs in various other states? What about their tax incentives? Why are we only looking at few states? Is this a national budget or a budget of only few states? See, I am very happy and very happy that Karnataka Upper Bhadra project received 5,300 crores. But what about the Mission Bhagiratha project of Telangana? What about the Kaleshwaram project of Telangana? Niti Aayog is recommended and you don't even give 1 rupee. And what about the pending money? How are you going to give the states the pending money? It is not mentioned anywhere in the budget, and they owe us hundreds of crores. That is not mentioned anywhere. So all in all, there is no direction in this entire budget. There is no concrete plan for the future. Looks like the government believes that they are going to go away in this 1 year. They are going on announcing new schemes when there is no audit of the old schemes. That is all I have to say. The budget ultimately has to give a good direction to the economic growth of the country. If you can't do that, then the budget doesn't make any sense to me. That is why I am categorically saying this particular budget is a mathematical confirmation of Modi government's failure. It's because during COVID, we have seen the announcement of 20 lakh crore package to MSMEs, and not even 1 lakh crore was released end of the day for the MSMEs across the nation. And if this promise is realized, I'll be the happiest person, because I strongly believe MSMEs are the backbone of our country. That is the highest employment generating sector of our country. They should really get a lot of incentives. But this government has been continuously promising from last 3 years and has done nothing for MSMEs.
Ma'am, Sitharaman announced it, so how do you see this?
Again, it will be very political, brother. We have seen it in the last 9 years. Wherever they announce an airport, they will only announce it in a poll-bound state. They will either announce it in a BJP government state. But wherever other places, like my constituency in Nizamabad, from the last 9 years, we have collected the land, we have cleared the land. Warangal, for example, Nizamabad.